Entering into our first solution showcase of the day, and for that I would like to invite Sri Mitual Arora, Business Development Lead for South Asia at Pix4D, and he's going to present a session on the use of photogrammetry software in various drone application, case studies and global experience. So can we have you on stage, sir? Sri Mitual Arora. All right, can we have a round of applause, everyone? Over to you, sir.
So first of all, wanted to say very thanks to the Service International and a special thanks to Dr. Pranay who requested me to come for this event, and I am very much happy to be here and to present about the photogrammetry solution what Pix4D is offering. So let me give you a brief about Pix4D first. So Pix4D is a photogrammetry software company based out of Switzerland, and we have more than 11 commercial offices worldwide, and we have presence in more than 120 countries. I takes care of the business development part here in India and Southeast Asia market. So now let me give you a brief about Pix4D. So here is what we have our presence, which we already explained it to you. And before I go further, here is my email address. If anyone here is looking for any trial license of Pix4D, please feel free to send out an email to me, and I will be happy to give you a free trial demo so that you can use the software as per your application wherever you are planning to use the software, be it survey, mining, construction, forensic, fire, disaster, heritage, anywhere, whatever you think in your mind. So we have a solution for all the different applications. So here is my background. I did my mechanical engineering, and then I'm having a experience of around 17 years. I myself is a drone pilot for small and medium category, and I am also the program advisor to California State University, US. And currently I am taking care of the business development activities in India and Southeast Asia market. So now let me give you a brief about what exactly is photogrammetry. So photogrammetry is basically the science and technology of obtaining reliable information about physical objects and the environment through the process of recording, measuring and interpreting photogrammetry images and patterns of electromagnetic radiant, imaginary and other phenomena. So the summary is that, so how we extract the information from the photographs is basically a photogrammetry. So we have a solution like software and hardware both. So as per the application requirement, we have a solution. So we are having multiple software which is already displayed on the screen here, and we also have multiple mobile applications which is free of cost, freely available, anyone can download and use it. And also we have the hardware which is by the name AMLID. We have a tie-up with AMLID, and we also sell these hardwares into the Indian market. So these are the specific applications and sectors where we generally focus. So that is survey, mapping, construction, mining, inspection, agriculture, cultural heritage, education, public safety and emergency response. These are the broader categories, and in the further slides I am going to discuss the software which relates to these particular sectors. So for example, if someone is looking for some surveying application, how these applications are helpful for your industry. So what all you can extract from the images, how you can create a 2D maps or 3D models out of it. So what is the accuracy level, what all you can do, how you can do the volumetric analysis. Everything is taken care by the survey and the mappings. Next one is the construction. In construction, the main problem nowadays everyone is facing is how you do the volumetric analysis. How any new company is planning to take a tenders, how they can do the topography survey, the DSM, the DTM, the measurement of the raw land, everything that needs to be taken care of while filling out the tenders. They need to have some information before they actually go into the field. So before going into the field, what they need to do, they just need to take a drone, they need to do an aerial survey and take out those images, put that images into a software, a Pix4D software. Rest everything will be taken care by the software. Whatever data you are looking for, everything will be taken care by the Pix4D. And in the market, we have multiple softwares available. But I will give you a surety that all the solution you will find in Pix4D. There is not even a single thing you will not do in Pix4D. Everything is taken care by Pix4D. Next, if we talk about the mining, so from the start to the execution, we have multiple challenges in mining. So we need to see the complete plinth, we need to see, measure the machinery, what are the machinery, the manpower, the head count, everything. So you just need to again take the images from a drone, or if you want to take the images from your phone itself, you can do that, or if you want to take the satellite images, you can do that as well. Just we need the images to be inserted into the software, and rest everything will be taken care by the software. So in the last slide, sorry, we also have our software used by the mining corporation in US, and they also give us the their case studies and also their inputs, that what exactly they feel the software does for them. These are the few global companies who used our software and are very much happy with this. And again, this is for the telecom and inspection. In India nowadays, here is the main challenge. The main automobile, telecom and inspection. These companies are facing challenges how they can do the inspection of their telecom towers. They cannot do the inventory management. They need to have a field guy to go into the field, to go up at like 50 feet, 100 feet or 200 feet high on the tower, and then they can do the physical inspection. But with the help of a drone, you can literally check each and every bolt of that particular tower, that where exactly is the tightness, where exactly it's loose, where is the rust, each and everything you can easily check. And then you can create a 3D model out of it. After you create a 3D model, you can share the link with your management sitting out of anywhere in the world, and they can see themselves that what exactly is the solution. So your field is suppose in Delhi, and you have your boss sitting out of Chennai, so you can just share the link. And he can, sitting out of his office, he can easily see out of that 3D model, and he can literally annotate it in your PDF or PPT that these are the problems I am facing in this particular area. Please again check it. So he can check it and then give you the solution. Next one is the agriculture. So in agriculture, we have drone data, we have satellite data. You can do whatever way you want. So we process both the data, the drone data and the satellite data as well. So you can do the health monitoring, you can do the crop detection, you can use it for the insurance purpose, you can check it what exactly has happened last week and what exactly is the growth in the coming weeks. So you can also compare that, and if you want to share again with the technical person in your team, you can do that. You can also compare the differences within last month and the current month, the health monitoring, the crop monitoring, everything you can do. The next one is the cultural heritage. So we have many of our partners, like one of Mr. Rahul from Matrix Geo, he is sitting out of here. I think he recently did a survey of Statue of Unity and create a 3D model out of it. So what is the usage of that? You can basically create a model for your future generation. You can use it for the digital transformation. You can check what exactly has happened few years back. You can check what is the difference 4 years back or 1 year back and what exactly is the situation right now. So that government can themselves check that what exactly was the lacuna in the past and what exactly they can do to better preserve these heritage in the future. The next one is the public safety. So in public safety, we have multiple sub options in that. We have the forensic, we have the fire, and we have the search and rescue. So in case of any disaster, so for example, I will give you an example of COVID. In COVID, many organizations, many state government, many private organizations, they use drone to do all these surveys activities. And they use Pix4D also to check that this is the 3D model, this is the solution from where they can check the casualty in case of fire, They can check after any disaster that what exactly has happened. They used it for the insurance purposes. And in forensic, they also check the crime investigation. In accident cases, they can also use these applications. This one I already discussed about the disaster. The important part is the academia and the certified trainer program. So we do have application for the educational organization, be it any university or any colleges. And in the university and colleges, if they want to customize as per their needs, as per their application, they can always do that. So we give them the option to change the software features as per their requirement. For example, if someone is looking for some civil engineering purposes, they can do it for civil engineering. If someone is looking for water conservation, they can do it for water conservation. So with the help of a professor, they can customize as per their needs. Next one is the certified trainer program. So in certified trainer program, what we do is that we give a liberty to the organization if they want to use a trainer who can train any students, who can train any organization employees to have a hands-on experience on Pix4D. They can always do that. So we certify as a company to that organization, to an individual also, as a company also. So we certify them, and then they can also teach to their students or to their employees. So just for information, as of now, NRSC under ISRO, we based out of Hyderabad, they are already using Pix4D to give training to the government organization and to the private organizations as well. So this is very good certified trainer program which is specifically built for any individual or for the organization who want to train on Pix4D, specifically on the photogrammetry. And we have a special pricing for educational. It's like way cheaper than any commercial license. And I'm just left with 2 or 3 more slides. So the next one is the AMLID RTK rover. So we have this hardware, and if you use this hardware with the help of our Pix4D catch application, which is free of cost, available on any app Play Store, you can download it, it's free, and you can use it with the help of this hardware, and you will get very accurate solutions. This is what you need to do. You can capture data with the help of Pix4D catch app. Then you can process data on Pix4D cloud and with the help of Pix4D Matic, and then you can export those images to GIS, CAD or BIM formats. It's very easy to use. Thank you, and if you have any questions, I will be more than happy to answer. Thank you.